Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review of this Made Good Granola Minis. Check this out. It is, there's two flavors in this. This is chocolate chip mixed berry, free from nuts, safe for schools, as you can see, organic, but I want to show you something neat here, is this part. As you can see, it's dairy, egg-free, sesame-free, peanut, soy, gluten, which is actually kind of cool. These are the nutrient panels. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Here are the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. So as you can see, there's like mushrooms in there. There's beets, tomatoes. So it's full of like vegetables in there, which is actually kind of neat. So let's do a quick taste test. So I'm going to open up the bag. Okay, so this is what they look like. Alright. And we're going to open each one. Okay, so here's what the chocolate one looks like. Let's do a quick taste test. It's good. It's got like a nice granola type of taste to it. Slightly sweet. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. And here's the berry one. That's what they look like. Nice berry flavor on that one. You get a lot of that raspberry type of flavor. If I had to choose one, I like the berry one more than the chocolate one. But if you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. It's pretty good.